what is your name?
My name is Giancarlo Alday.
So, why did you choose this course?
I choose this course because I'm not good at programming, but also I want to explore and gain more knowledge about programming.
In your opinion, which 21st century skill is your strength?
I believe that as a 21st century learners, I can think outside the box. I am willing to explore new things and ideas that helps me acquiring new knowledge and skill while improving myself and developing my character.
And what activity would you suggest so you could demonstrate your strengths?
I will suggest problem thinking skills activity for it will help us and think critically on how we are going to solve each given task or problem by means of collaboration and effective communication.
In your opinion, which 21st century skill is your weaknesses?
My knowledge on how computer technology work are limited. I am not so-called technique, and this weakness is one of the main reasons for me to take computer engineering. I want to challenge myself also by turning my weaknesses into strength through adapting a new trend in our society.
And how do you intend to improve your weaknesses?
I want to improve my weakness by beating myself, my anxiety and fear through exploring new things and gaining knowledge by experience.